omonchoreri asirete Patrick Lumumba uyiboigo okabeire omorikio manene gwe county ya Kisii rituko ria rero nigagenderia etaro yaye ime ye bunge ya Kituchacha South asagendrete kwena na emipira yokogosoria gochiase chisukuru rituko ria rero niganyako bagwikirana ase gatie chisukuru eyemo yabwire Daraja Mbili secondary Daraja Mbili primary na boigo Getembe igatie chinde ese agendrete gusegeta abarki okobeka omukia ase amasomabo.
So, you either want to be a teacher, a doctor, a nurse. Hello, architects. Hello, architects. Naitwa Lumumba. Sema tena Lumumba. I have been the head of public service, mkuu wa serikali wafanyikazi Kisii, until 1.5 years ago. So I'm trying to give back to the community. So the other day I was told you don't have enough balls. So I said I just get 2 balls. I'm going around the schools in the constituency just donating balls.
My parents were unable to pay my fees. And my mother was brewing, kuna kitu ile askari hawataki kuona, kuna kitu inaitwa changa na kitu inaitwa busa. That was the income for my family. So at one time she was arrested and she was arrested on her way to Kericho. Don't listen to guys who will tell you, oh, sneak and come. No, raha mzuri iko mbele.